Are you ready to unlock the ultimate entertainment experience from TiVo? Get ready to access all your shows on all your screens from pretty much anywhere. And it all starts with this remote. Let's explore some of the great features you're gonna love. This is the home screen. Think of it as the central hub of the TiVo experience. To get here, just press the TiVo button on the remote. Use the arrow buttons to scroll left and right through menu items that take you to the most used places in the TiVo experience. Press OK to choose one. You can add more items to the menu by pressing the A button on your remote. Say you want a shortcut to a streaming app like Netflix or Hulu. Just enter an available shortcut number, and the app will appear on the home menu. For even quicker access, you can just enter the number for that shortcut to launch it instantly. This is the Smart Bar. We call it smart because it predicts shows that you'll want to watch based on what you usually watch at a particular time or day. Do you normally catch up on last night's late-night talk show the next morning? It'll be waiting in the Smart Bar when you wake up. Do the kids get some screen time while dinner's cooking? They'll see their shows here for instant access. The home screen shows what you're currently watching in the background. If you want to hide it, just press the slow button. To bring it back, press the slow button again. To bring the video to the foreground, press exit. The voice button on your TiVo remote lets you control your TiVo box with your voice.
What's on tonight?
Simply press and hold the voice button while giving a command.
How about a movie?
And release it when you've finished. Now that you've got the basics down, let's dive deeper. My Shows takes you straight to your recorded and streaming videos. All of your shows and movies, all in one place, no matter if they're on TV, on demand, or on streaming apps like Netflix or Hulu. What to Watch lets you browse shows available to stream, watch live, bookmark, or record, divided into popular categories. Press OK to see the available options. TiVo's all-powerful search lets you enter just a few letters of the title, actor name, or keyword, and bingo. Search looks across TV, video on demand, and streaming apps all at once. Select the best match to get more information and viewing options. For example, you can create a one-pass search, which finds every episode of a series, whether it's on TV or available from any streaming app, and adds all available episodes to My Shows instantly. Also on the search screen, you can set up a wish list search, which finds shows that match your search criteria on any channel you receive. For instance, you might create a wish list search for actor George Clooney. Your TiVo box would find anything airing with George Clooney, record matches, and put them right into your My Shows list. Back on the home screen, Apps lets you access streaming and music apps directly. Highlight an app and press the thumbs up button to add it to your favorites. And Menu is the place for managing your recordings and one-pass searches, and controlling your settings. Here, you'll find parental controls, settings, and user preferences, which you can use to customize your TiVo experience. You can choose which streaming apps to include in searches, reorder your favorite apps list, choose favorite channels, control the home screen video and video window, and lots more. And remember, pressing back on any menu screen takes you back one screen, and the TiVo button returns to the home screen. Ready to get started? Press the TiVo button now and enjoy the incredible TiVo experience.